Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem count of smaller elements. So in this question, given an unsorted array ARR, so we need to find the number of elements which are less than or equal to the given element x. X is an integer variable. So if we say in the first example, the x is equals to 9 and the ARR, the given array is 10, 1, 2, 8, 4, 5. So if you see the number of elements which are less than or equal to 9, then 10, it is not, so excluded. So other than 10, you can see all the elements are either less than or equal to x. To be precise, all are less than x. So the number of elements are 1, 2, 8, 4, 5. So there are 5 elements. So the output is 5. In the second example, we need to find the number of elements from the given array which are less than 2 or equal to. So 1, 2, 2, 2. So there are 4 elements. So we can see the expected time is big of n. So we can use a for loop. And the auxiliary space is big of 1. So we need to use a constant space which doesn't depend on any input variables. So now what is the approach? Obviously we are going to use a loop or a for each loop, a loop, a variable to store the count of numbers, condition within the loop to check the less equal to or greater than condition of the given value with x. So we use loop to iterate sequentially. So condition to check if the value is less or equal to x. So the variable is used to store the count of numbers that's it. These are the three things we are going to use in our code. So we said we are going to use the integer variable. So into C represents the count name. So we use a for loop. We only need the values but doesn't need any index of the array. So we use a for each loop. How to use a for each loop? Int temporary variable colon the iterating array or list. So the list name is ARR. So if the current element n is less than or equal to which value it is x. So then count will be increased by 1, count plus plus. So at last return C, return count. So we can see the sample and hidden test case both are passed. So coming to the complexities, I'm going to write here. So what is time complexity? It is big of. We use the single for loop which depends on the size of the given input. Internal there are no other loops, just a condition. So it is big of n. And coming to the space, big of, we just used a single integer variable which takes constant space of 4 bytes independent of the given input, so it is big of 1. So the time space both are matching to our code complexities, so our solution is acceptable. problem link is given in the description. Go and practice the problem. So thank you for watching.